Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they say their smoothing tool, which is underneath your shape tool, is not working. Well, it actually is, but I like working with the smoothing tool with no fill and an outline of red. You can always fill it in. The thing about the smoothing tool is you want it just a little bit smaller than what you're working with, and you've got to click on the line. You can't click on the, well, you can if this is actually, it's acting like it's got a fill. But if you go along the line, it will smooth it out quite well. But when you go to the next letter, you've got to click on that letter because now we're not clicked on that letter and it's not working. So you've got to click on that letter to get it to work. The smoothing tool is a really cool tool. In some of these cases, well, I don't know what he's really trying to gain by this font. A lot of times you could use the shape tool and delete some notes. Now there is some double lines right there, and if we click on it and move one out of the way, there's already a smoother one behind there. So you need to, maybe your inner ones have double lines, so we need to look at that. That is really probably the cause. See, the single line outlines are working. Now in this case, these two objects are connected. Well, no, they're not. That's connected with something quite large, but it doesn't really matter since it's joined together. But just grab your smoothing tool and click on your item. That's the key to the smoothing tool. It has to be, and then always look out for stuff like that. Zoom in, you got a bad spot. You could take the pick tool or the shape tool and select that and delete it. But on that inner one, just grab the shape tool or the smoothing tool and click on it. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.